In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a space and set up stage and time columns in ClickUp. We'll start right inside ClickUp. On the left sidebar, find spaces and click the plus icon to create a new one. Give your space a clear descriptive name that reflects the kind of work you'll manage here, and add a short description so anyone who opens it immediately understands the purpose. Spaces act as your top-level container, so a clear name and description make everything easier to navigate later. If you'd like a head start on structure, you can choose one of ClickUp's templates at this point to load pre-built views and fields. When everything looks good, click Create to spin up the space. Next, let's customize the columns so your tasks show the right information at a glance. Open the list view in your new space and choose Add a Column. In the search box, type Stage. Select the stage field and add the values you'll use to track progress, for example, discovery, planning, development, and launch. These stages give everyone a shared language for where each task stands. Keep the names short and consistent so they're easy to scan. When you've added the values, click Create to save the field. Now add another column. Click Add Column again and search for time. Toggle on both Time Tracked and Time Estimate. Time Estimate is your best guess of how long the task should take, while Time Tracked records the actual time you log as you work. Seeing these side by side helps you plan realistically and refine future estimates. If your team hasn't tracked time before, don't worry. Estimates can start rough and improve as you gather real data. With your columns ready, start entering tasks. Type in your task name, choose the appropriate stage from the dropdown, assign the task to the right person, set a deadline to keep it on schedule, and enter a time estimate so expectations are clear. Clear owners and due dates reduce ambiguity, and even a simple estimate helps prioritize work. If a task spans multiple days, pick a reasonable due date and break the estimate into what you expect within that time frame. Repeat this process for your remaining tasks. Keep the stage labels consistent so reporting stays clean, and remember that you can always adjust the stage, assignee, deadline, or estimate as things change. As work progresses, log time to build a reliable picture of effort versus plan. And that's it. You created a space, added a stage dropdown with discovery, planning, development, and launch, enabled time tracked and time estimate, and filled in each task with a name, stage, assignee, deadline, and estimate. Do this again for your other tasks, and you're done.